Hey, what's up guys, it's Mike here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Tips. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can get free 50 gig from MTN. Yes, you heard it right, you can get free 50 gig on MTN by following the steps you're going to be seeing on my video right now. Okay, so if you love this information about here guys, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you're new on my channel, you're welcome. On my channel, I give this part online tips, which I saw the online world with is can you hit the subscribe button below and also the bell notification icon. So when I create more videos like this, you'll be first to get notified. And trust me guys, I've got 12 more of videos like this, how to get free airtime, free data, and how to make money online on my channel. You will not want to miss out. So guys, let's get started on how you can get this free 50 gig on MTN. As can you see, I just got free 50 gig from MTN. Activation of 50 gig, my MTN app download data offer was successful. Now let me go to the MTN app to go and show you also. Now can you see it says bonus 49.47 gig because it was initially 50 gig and now it is 49.47 gig remaining. Okay, let me just prove to you that I'm actually making use of this to download things. Let me go to my Play Store. I'm updating all my apps. Before I show you how you can get it, can you see it? I'm updating all my apps. Everything is on update. I'm even updating my phone's software. Can you see it? I'm updating everything with this free 50 gig. So how can you get this thing? Okay, all you need to do is to go to the Play Store. Right, to get this 50 gig, just go to the Play Store or App Store. Is to go and search my MTN app. Sorry, MTN app. Okay, so once you have done it, as you can see, mine is already installed. All you need to do is to install it either on your App Store or your Play Store. Install it. Then once you've installed it, okay, all you need to do is now sign in or sign up with your number, with your MTN number. Then once you sign up with your number, you will now see, this is my item balance, over 52 naira, and also this is my data balance. And this is what you're going to see. Then once you go out of the app like this, then you now go back to the app. Once you go back to the app, you're going to get this notification. I made a screenshot of it at that point when it was sent to me. All right, where is the screenshot? It's going to tell you, before this, it's going to tell you you can now accept your 50 gig, whatever. Then you click on accept. Then it's not tell you congratulations, you can now enjoy your 50 gig free. Okay, but as you can see here, what it says is going to expire 11:59 today. So what this means is this 50 gig is for one day. It's for 20, just to the end of the day. So if before you try it, ensure that you have a lot of things you want to download. Like as you can see me, I'm updating my phone and everything. After this, I'll just go to Netflix over now and go and start downloading movies. Okay, keep on downloading everything I want to download today, and make sure I finish that 50 gig before 11:59 p.m. At least I still have more than 12 hours, which is enough for me to download everything and finish 50 gig, update my laptop and every other thing. So guys, this is how you can get your free 50 gig. And if you want to learn how to get more free airtime on all platforms, not just MTN alone, I've got how you can get 500% your recharge on MTN Glow and every other platform. All you need to just do is to follow me for more smart online tips like this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thanks for watching guys. So guys, I'm showing the step-by-step process how you can get this free 50 gig on your MTN line. Okay, just follow this method on this video and you'll be getting yours also. And just like I said in the video, it just lasts for 24 hours or more or less. The very day you do this, the very day you get that 50 gig, let's say you get it by 9 p.m. by 11:59 p.m. is going to expire, because I did mine, let's say around that kind of 9 a.m. and by 11:59 it's still expired. So before you try this method, before you try it out, ensure you are ready to make use of it, because what I did for my own was is so I downloaded a movie on Netflix. I updated all my apps and every other thing I did on my phone to make sure I finished it. But I didn't even finish this data. It remained, was it 4 gig or so from 50 gig before it expired by 12 on dot. Okay, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as you discover the smart online tips.